Hi beautiful beings, here we are. We are at this beautiful location at Noonawina. Just check out all this beauty and serenity around. This is where you can join us on our September retreat, and this retreat is for parents, for carers and support workers. You are going to get your respite, you are going to recharge, and you are going to learn tools and strategies that's going to support you and the people that you care for. And that's going to create much growth and much connection within and for others. So if you want to find out more on how you can register for this most amazing retreat, just check out the view. Reach out. We would love nothing more than to share this opportunity with you.